Friends, here is our yard. We have different second-hand machines you can take around, from wheel excavator, loaders, wheel excavator again, chain excavator, and grader, together with bulldozer and backhoe loaders. So if you need any of these machines, just send me an inquiry for any machine you need from here, from Caterpillar brand, SDLG. We have also small ton excavators this side, all good condition, from Kubota, Caterpillar, Komatsu, Sany, Hitachi, and more. And this side we have big ton excavators, that's 48 ton Volvo, Caterpillar, Doosan. And if you go more, let's see if we can go more. Different brands, Hyundai too. Another wheel excavator here, XCMG2, it's also here. Different. So if you need any of these machines from here, just send me your inquiry and I'll send you the price right away. Thank you.